Morning all, it's me. Where am I going now? Well, I've checked out my hotel and I'm now off to Amsterdam. Why am I going to Amsterdam? Well, I'm going to the toy fair. I am on Sunday, so that's where I'm going. I'm hoping I've left about an hour-ish early, that maybe I can catch an earlier train. But there's no guarantees. But it's only an hour earlier. So yeah, right, let's get going, shall we? Right, let's get going. I went to see about changing, and sadly they're fully booked, so no me getting on an early one. So I've just got 2 hours till, well, got about an hour and a half, so I'm gonna go and get breakfast. I am, and go and wait. Well, I got my normal breakfast, can and 2 croissants, and nice and warm. So as I can get on the early one, and it's in now, sadly it's fully booked, so I'll enjoy my breakfast. And I've only got an hour and a half for the next one. But to get on, only really an hour, so not long to wait. Well, I've just popped into the Tour de France little pop-up shop they got in the train station. I just got myself a pin. Don't know how long it's going to be here for. But apparently there's a map here. Can't really show you it properly. It ends up in Paris. It does. Yeah, I just spent 6 euros for a little pin. So I thought, yeah, so that's it. Alright. So, wow. Alright, that's also new. That is. So, yeah. Haven't got long left to wait now. Pokemon, catch them if you can, catch them if you can. I don't want to. Alright, this is just outside the train station, where I'll be back on Monday, where I will be meeting Mikhail. So then we got 9 days together. So that's the original part, and then added this on. Alright, let's go back in. Alright. Well, I'm here. I'm in Amsterdam. I am. So let's get to the boat to get over the other side, because that's where my hotel is. Sad I didn't do no filming on the train because I wasn't really near a window seat. Well, I was, but not quite. I was just blown away, so I didn't do any. So yeah. I think I'm going to get my ticket out in a minute to scan and get out. But otherwise, yeah. Alright, let's get going. Alright. Exit. Out. Oh, I tell you right now, the weather's totally different here. It's actually nice than what I had in Paris. It was just a bit too hot in Paris, it was. So I need to get over there to get to my hotel. That's over there. Might not catch this one, but there's another one in about 15 minutes anyway. I'll say there's a storm coming. It's a bit windy. So yeah, I would try and get a wire tonight for try to see if that's the fault with the mics. They kept on happening again yesterday. Oh yeah, just started raining. I think I'll be getting my little jacket out. Alright, I'll see you in a minute. Well, I'm on the boat. Just gotta go over there now. And I might even jump a taxi. Don't know yet. Alright. Just getting over there. Oh, flash of lighting. So yeah, definitely gonna have a thunderstorm, so we'll get my coat out later. Sod being up there in the storm. It's about a 17 minutes walk from here. Miss it. Charity shop's over that way, but we're going that way. About a 15 minutes walk from where I am. Probably can see the building already. Actually, I think it's that white building right in the distance. So yeah, I'll get my I bought my coat, my red coat, well, jacket, and I also got my Disney tracksuit top, and I'm not sure which one to put on actually. Look how small these cars are. Look at that. I want one of them. So yeah, well, I'll see you at the hotel. My welcome to Amsterdam, a storm. Is that ill omens or something? Oh, whoa! Did you see that on the camera? It's very much of a neighbourhood area around here. It is, I gotta admit, it's growing. Oh, can you hear that? Alright, see you in a minute. Yeah, that is the hotel. Oh, where's the entrance for it? That's the back gates. So, where's the entrance? Let's go around, go this way. Right there. Not bad. Not quite in the middle of nowhere, but 20 minutes walk. A bit like from when I did from the train station to Underpass in Dunkirk. And same really. Apart from I catch a ferry over to here. Whoa! Fucking hell! Is this an omen for me or what? I didn't do nothing, honest mate. I mean, wow. Pre-warning, there's going to be a very loud thunder crack on this. So where's the bloody entrance to this bloody hotel? Strip fest, eh? Strip fest. Whoa, I need to go to that. Here it comes. Alright, this way. I'm hiding at the moment. I took the wrong turning. So I have to go through the gates, but as you can see, it has opened up. Cool. This is definitely a welcome to Holland. It stopped a bit, so I legged it, but it started coming really down again, so I'm so close, but I'm still so far. But I'm only for a bridge at the moment.
1 hour later.
Well, still a travel day. I'm now heading back into Amsterdam. Well, I'm still in Amsterdam, I'm just across the river. Don't actually know if this place has got a name for it or not. You know, this little bit. So yeah, stopped raining. Don't know for how long, but I got my umbrella with me, my Thai one, and I got my little jacket on, my Disney one, nice and light. So yeah, literally the charity shop's that way. If I got here 2 hours earlier, I could have made it. Oh well, it's life, ain't it? Yeah, we stay for long. It's already spitting. It needed to be 10 minutes more closer. But otherwise, yeah, really nice hotel. I will show you in the morning what the breakfast is, but obviously you won't see none of that till we fill the hotel. You won't. This area is very much of a district, you know, a neighbourhood. You know, so yeah. Nearly back there. Need to check out the times when it starts and the times it finish. I think I saw 6 AM start, what's good. Well, both mornings I need that hour. Well, I don't want it that early. I know one thing I need to find a toilet in a minute as well. So I'll pop into the train station. and not that you wanted that bit of information, and then see what time it finishes. I think it finishes about 12. I do. Well, I know we ain't been back here since I got stickers done. So yeah. Alright. Here we are. Well, don't know why I'm saying here we are. Back at the station. I'm gonna go out now. Upstairs to the bus depot. No, I'm not. Go further down. That's the train station. Right, back the way I go. I'm up here now. Oh, I've ordered 2 good to go food bags from 2 different companies. And one's pick up at 7:30, so I still got 2 hours. And one to pick up at 9:30, well, till the 10 at night. So yeah. So what I'm going to go first is I'm going this way. Not really sure what we're doing tonight. Well, I do know what we're going to do tonight. We're going to have a little wander. We are. So I'll do little snippets here and there. Try and make this video not that long. But, you know what it's like. But first, I'm going to check see where the place is. Alright. Oh. Dunkin Donuts should be down here somewhere. Oh, it was a bit further, it was, that I needed to go to. It was. There, see, down there. Alright. Alright. Yeah, I will need to... Alright. They've really done this station up. I have. So you got Starbucks up there now. You have. But look at it, really is nice. I wish my mics was working without all the interference. So a bit annoying. Alright, back with you in a minute. Oh, that's all new. London trains only. Right, here's Dunkin Donuts, where I'm coming tonight for. Right. What's the other place? Is it that place? Don't know, I'll have a look. I probably don't really need this little bar, but you know, Friday night. I want some chips. But I've got 3 nights. You think? I think this is one of the places that Adam went, didn't he? Yeah, Adam the Woo. I don't know, Daily Woo. There's Doubletree. So yeah, the place I'm picking up some bakery items just down here. But that's in about an hour and 50 minutes. Yeah. We suffered a couple of losses last year, we did really. Good friend Si passed, Manga Fanganga. And Adam. Okay, I never met Adam, but gotta watch his content and daily. So I got to know the guy pretty well, like most of us did actually. Right. And also you got to watch trams, but it's mainly bikes you got to look for. Cool, ain't ya? Yeah, so my place to pick up some stuff is down there. Yep, I see it right now, actually. So right, at least I know where I'm going later. Right. Alright. Alright, there's no one at NH collection. Alright. Interesting. Cool, that's fast. I do know there's a Primark here. I do. So yeah, alright, anyway. I can't believe how packed it is, how busy it is. Cool, last time we came, I mean, it wasn't this busy. Cool. Oh, blimey. Alright, I need to get some postcards. Here's Primark. It is. Also TK Maxx is right there. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in TK Maxx. But obviously I won't be filming. I mean, this is packed. This is why I need that wire, so I can have my mics on. But oh well, it's just life, ain't it, at the moment? And what did I find in TK Maxx? The cartoon versions. Orko, Vespa, and her, which I am picking up. There's only a couple of these I wanted, and that's it. Well, just found out they don't do bacon double cheeseburger over here. What I am quite surprised about, really. I mean, yeah. I'm quite surprised. Thought they might have done bacon double cheeseburger, but they didn't. You know. Right, that way. Oh, I was going down. Obviously, I just got turned around. I'm doing that a lot lately, getting turned around. Right, down we go. We're going that way. I actually thought I was ending on the main street. I did. Oh well. Right. Yeah, because I just went into Burger King, so I thought I might get myself a bacon double cheeseburger. Can't find it. Maybe it's just a British and American thing. Then that's if it's in favour in America. Don't really know. Yeah, but the problem was I went into Popmark, and when I came out, I just automatically went one way. Just one way. So yeah. Alright. Quite interesting. I might take a video in there tomorrow. Or Sunday. Won't be Monday, because I'll be back to Paris. So yeah. Might be little snippets here, really. Not a great lot, really. Mini Sue. Quite a big one. Don't know how many floors that one's got. Nice backpack. Alright. See you in a minute. I've definitely seen Steph and Claire building these. Look at these. But I've got to admit, I do like them ones up there. Not my cup of tea. I like them, but not. Wouldn't go with mine. Yeah, so that's where I'm getting one of my Too Good To Go bags in 10 minutes time. That's another interesting building down there. That is. So yeah, not bad. I got my food bag. Croissants and chocolate fingerbob. And a star. I knew there was a shop around here. I missed it an hour ago. Oh well, let's see. 11 to 7. Oh well. Very another interesting door as well. I can see there's like money on either side, so maybe if this is a treasury at some point. I've got enough gold bars on the windows. I mean bars on the windows. I think I came into the Diamond District. I think. I'm not too sure. So I might answer that. Oh well. Carry on looking out of here. And return. Don't really know which way we turn. Could turn left, could turn right. All depends. Well, I hope you enjoyed the travel day vlog. We had a little bit of a walk around phoning, because I couldn't film nothing on the train. So yeah, it's definitely got interesting. So yeah, alright, I'll see you all later. Ta-ta for now.